You already know there are fees with a Gold IRA. But the real danger? It's the silent cost you don't find out about until after you have already invested. Let me show you what to watch for and how to protect yourself. One of the biggest hidden costs is the spread. Spread is the difference between what you pay and what your metals are actually worth. Let's just say you invest $100,000, but the spread is 25%. That means your metals are only worth $75,000 the second you buy them. That's a huge $25,000 gap, and many investors don't realize it until it's too late to back out. That's why transparency matters. Let me show you something from Augusta Precious Metals. They clearly explain their 5% spread before you invest, so you're not left guessing or getting hit with surprises later. Not every company does that. If you want to avoid silent fees like this, download the free company comparison checklist. It shows you the key questions to ask about spreads, commissions, and buybacks before you commit. I've linked it below this video. Don't let vague promises cost you thousands. The checklist breaks down typical spread ranges so you can spot red flags fast. Use it before you pick a company. You can grab it below this video.